Europe currently has a shortage of organs, and waiting lists for transplants keep growing. As well as improving the quality of life of their recipients, transplants save public health systems money. For example, a kidney transplant recipient costs Spain 30,000 euros less per year than a patient on dialysis. Now, the Hungarian presidency of the EU Council wants to put forward new proposals. One of their plans is to increase exchange between member states.
One way will be also to go across borders and to try to communicate and organize the correct relations with in other countries, which can permit exchange of the organs, a fast track for the transplantation and organ procurement. The next point can be also the transport of the organs. You know that there are a lot of obstacles, financial obstacles, which can block the fast transport, which can reduce the quality of the transplantation of the organs.
Between 2009 and 2015, the European Union implemented a plan for organ donation and transplantation, which increased donations by 21% at the European level. But overall, the percentage of donors differs greatly between EU countries. The figure ranges from an annual rate per million inhabitants, highest rate being 47 in Spain and 31.5 in Portugal, to lowest being 3.3 in Cyprus and 2.1 in Bulgaria. Figures are not very high anywhere because strict conditions must be met. That's why one option is to increase the number of donors by lowering the standards of organs. That means those who are older or have organs in poor condition will also be accepted.
The classical donor which exists before, I can say that a young donor who has some accident, a traffic accident or something like that, it's nearly disappeared from the scope because of the quality of life, because of the security in the roads, in the ways, and the security of the vehicles. So that it's now exception.
These organs with lower standards are called marginal donors and could be a temporary solution to shorten waiting lists and fill the organ shortage. Another Hungarian proposal is that countries like Germany should change their legislation so that all their citizens are required to be donors unless they have a reason not to be. In total, 18 countries have this opt-out system in the EU.